working on a 2000 Chevy Suburban 2500, doing a fuel pump in it. And for the people that haven't been able to find how to do this exact one, this one has the metal connectors with 3 ends, but this middle one's the hardest one to take off. What I did, and I couldn't find any videos how to do it, so I took the normal 3/8 plastic adapter that you normally use to take the 2 side ones off. Works easy, you don't have to break it, but on that middle one it wouldn't fit. So what I did is on the bottom edge that goes on the bottom, flattened it out really good where it fits, broke it in half, and then I hollowed out the inside so it fits right. Sorry guys. Okay, bottom one's in. Top one's in. Pull. The line came right out. So that was the only way that I was able to get that line out without damaging it, was to do it like that. Hope that helps you guys. Let's work on the Tahoes and Suburbans, Silverados,